Marine and coastal pollution has been a persistent challenge for CYEN, with the majority of ocean waste originating from rivers and nearby beaches. CYEN President and ICC Lead Coordinator Brody Louis emphasized the importance of initiatives like the ICC campaign, which not only removes waste but also collects vital data to guide future actions.
The International Coastal Cleanup, as we call it, it's ICC. It's an annual global event that brings together millions of volunteers worldwide. So we remove litter and debris from waterways, beaches, and oceans. The overall objective of ICC is not only to clean up coastal areas, but to also raise awareness about the detrimental effects of pollution on marine life and human health. It is estimated that about 11 million tons of plastic waste enters the ocean every year, and this impacts millions or hundreds of marine species, and it does affect our food chain as well.
Mr. Louis highlighted the role of the Guide to Planning Coastal Activities introduced last year in shaping cleanup efforts. She called for increased stakeholder involvement in upcoming CYEN initiatives and urged citizens to recycle harmful plastics to protect ecosystems and allow marine life to thrive.
This year, a few of our main objectives were to monitor and analyze coastal pollution trends, understand the impacts of pollution on communities, create strategic alliances with some of the stakeholders, and strengthen partnerships for long-term solutions, and overall just to raise awareness. We did 5 major beaches, same as what we did last year. We want to ensure that we have time series data for those locations, and they're kind of, I would say, give you not a full scope of the island, but the coastal areas.
Darrell Dubois, Assistant Coordinator for the St. Lucia Cleanup and CYEN Treasurer, stressed the dangers of microplastics in ecosystems, comparing their impact on human health to lead poisoning. She encouraged citizens to dispose of waste responsibly and avoid contributing to coastal pollution.
Plastic takes a very long time to break down, and when it does break down, the small particles still remain. So now this enters the ecosystem on different levels. So it will be ingested by different species of fish, different marine animals. And then we end up catching and consuming these fish. So now we end up ingesting microplastics as well.
Ms. Dubois also proposed solutions referencing a waste filtration project implemented in Shock that could be applied across the island to reduce pollution before it reaches shorelines. She acknowledged the challenges in mobilizing some CYEN projects, but emphasized the agency's commitment to combating the issue.
It's a matter of getting the financing and the interest to get it done. We actually have, well, not we, but in St. Lucia, there is Coca-Cola and Waterways, as well as some other partners. They actually have a collection system like that in the Shock area. This is a project recently done by them, and what it is actually straining plastics from that major river.
The cleanup spanned from October 5th to November 2nd, 2024, targeting Fort d'Or, Anse-la-Voûte, Marigot, Soufrière and Black Bay beaches. Over 4,000 kilograms of waste was collected, raising significant concerns about the safety of marine ecosystems. CYEN's leadership continues to advocate for responsible waste disposal and to put an end to illegal dumping to protect St. Lucia's coastal environments. For the DBS News World, Manasseh Stanislas reporting.